Baby, telling me that you love me.
Seeing Verizon shares up 2.8% after it announced its store sale and job cuts. Fed's Logan says, my concerns about the labor market force in Texas given immigration restrictions. Levitt says Iran is to come up in Trump's speech tonight. So just a reminder, Trump is due to speak at 9 p.m. Eastern Time.
Hi, Mrs. Powers. Driving back from Austin.
White House Press Secretary Levitt says U.S. actions have led to a
Is it
rather
hot over there?
stable oil market.
Man, it just like drove me crazy. At least we didn't miss anything. Can you hear me? Dude, that was not me.
Fed's Logan questions about size and timing of AI productivity gains.
I have no idea why it was doing that. It took my audio device and created a new one. It made an entire new pathway. It was like AI did it. all right, hold on. Let's I think this is the
As far as news, citing Jordan's foreign minister, Safadi, says that the US does not have any bases in Jordan, but US soldiers are present in our nation as part of military
all right,
cooperation
so you
between
see this
Jordan and
5-minute
US.
sweep candle on the 1 hour. If we close above that on the 5-minute time frame, we are going to the moon. No, I'm just joking. We'll go to like 330s. Still almost 80, 70 points. Oh, how you doing, Libs? AKA Mr. Dad. Why is it so small now? I can't see anything. Content size. Okay. Antonio! I need to figure out one thing though. Why didn't this candle show up? 45. Okay, easily a sweep candle. We should go up to 87s. If this pulls, maybe I'm gonna start in one micro. No matter what, it should go to 288s. It should go to 288s, but the bigger play could be here. The bigger play could be here, but we got to see. We got to see. This should have been the entry right here. I'm going to try to record the... So the new indicator is out, but I got to release the PDFs and stuff and how to use it. Along. Before you're live was not working. I know. It drove me crazy. And this is for a long. Wow, this might actually get me out already. If it breaks this low, then it is what it is. I'm only in one. Yeah, this should have been marked. It's not marked though. I might actually lose my first one.
Daddy, chill.
Chill, daddy. Come on. Come and get your love. There you go.
Fed's Logan says Fed meetings and the structure of the data-driven focus has not changed a bit.
Who's speaking? Fed Logan? Well, that's not good. It could make it a little wacky. But this is what? Let's just measure this pullback. Literally 78%. We're in the golden pocket here. Golden pocket means that we can go to the moon, baby. Encourage your viewers to share lives. Can you guys share it to yourselves? Do you think that helps? I don't want you guys to spam other people. But what if you shared it to yourself? Hey. The upcoming 13th Starship test flight? What the heck is that, dude? What alien stuff is that? Uh-oh. Come and get your love. It's trying to show you that I'm right, but it's struggling. Elon rocket for my time. Bro, am I are you guys talking like weird? Or am I like stupid? Elon rocket for my time. The upcoming 13th Starship test. This event could significantly change sentiment in either direction. 7-year time. Oh, they're going to be doing a ship launch. What are they launching? For what reason? What's so good about this one? I'm like, what are you talking about? Help me understand. The test. Test for what, though? Just a regular rocket? I mean... Ooh, child. Things are gonna get easier. It's huge. Is it really big? Is your rocket big? Tell me how big your rocket, Elon's rocket is. Ooh. Huge. Ah, showing the investors. Got you, got you. Dude, this should hit 281s. But, what a drag. Ooh. Damn, libs. That's awesome, dude. Hope you were sizing small, right? That's our goal this month. Size small and see what we could do. I'm in Nasdaq futures, micro, MNQ. Size matters. Size does matter. All right, we're back in profit. $2. But yeah, this is MNQ futures.
Fed's Logan says wages at the moment are not providing inflationary pressures.
To the moon. Yes, Antonio shared. Can we get another sharing train? Share it to yourselves. I think you could do that.
Fez Logan does worry
Uh,
about the risk, though.
I mean, my stops, I have them all right here. Stops is at 218. First TP is 280. 286, sorry. And then I kind of want to see if it goes to 328s. Share it to yourselves, baby. Yeah. So, bad news, guys. I went and showed AI all my analytics. Is that how you say it? You don't got to share it to others. You can share it to yourself. And it says that it believes that I am secretly throttled. There's this one spot where it shares my live out to people, but it says only 55% is being shared to people. So they're saying that's some kind of code where it doesn't let me get me out there.
Is that you?
Hey, look at all these followers though. Like, I hate giving up on this channel.
Daddy.
Polsky. Adden. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you? X6, thank you for joining for the 33rd time.
Daddy, chill.
Fez Logan says the goal should be efficient and effective balance sheet and not necessarily a goal on its size.
I think is the taps. What's the taps?
Daddy, chill.
Oh no, we have plenty of taps in here. They were saying that shares is probably one of the best things to do. This might fall. It's called 3 times to pass the orb. Yeah, it won't go up here, so this could be wrong. Tap me to 1,000, Antonio.
Daddy, chill.
What's this want to do, guys? What a weird movement. It is taking a long time. Do you think I should just close it once it goes green? What do you guys think? Let it go? Let it go. You think a sweep first? Well, I don't want to be in it then. So if it gets green, then maybe I'll just close it because the drive is not there. Look at this thing. Went sideways. I think I'm right on the entry. Just, no big rockets
Fez
for
Logan
us.
says possible there could be a more optimal regulatory liquidity regime for banks that would
162.
lead to a smaller Fed balance sheet.
I see a 9.2951. Yeah, Mr. Bastard. He's shared away, baby. He says, I'm going to save your account single-handedly. But if I just start a new one, right? I don't know how many followers I need, though, to go live. And then, yeah, I don't know. And then I guess we'll just keep restarting TikToks. I don't know what else to do.
Daddy, chill.
1 or 200? You think so? I shared to your second account? Nice, Mr. Bastard. Nice. There we are. We're at 1,000. AI is like, what the hell is going on? Look at 15. We're hella bearish. 15 what? 15 minute? We're at a doji right now, bro. Look at this doji. This says, I don't know what I want in my life. Yeah, Antonio. You couldn't just give me that one extra for 1,000? Whoa. Wow, this thing is really like deciding what to do. I meant to say, like, you gave me $9.99 and I really appreciate that. But what if AI wanted you to do 1,000? You just missed the goal. I need a little more than Piano Man right now. We're going to save this account. Which is crazy. We only have 11 people in here, right? And we've been blasting shares and likes. That's why I think this is dead. I have Cursor, Antonio. It's amazing. Their new Grok, whatever it is, 4.3 is really good.
The S&P
It's
500
basically-
extends dropped to a session low, down as much as 0.6%.
It's basically a cheaper Claude. I believe SpaceX, so like everybody's sleeping on it, right? It definitely will blast up. Everybody tap, share, and subscribe. Woohoo! And also with X. Oh yeah, I gotta try to connect my Twitter. I think you gotta pay though to go live. I don't know if I'm down with that. I have enough subscriptions. SpaceX, I think at $80 would be amazing. Buy. Wait, is there anybody gonna be on that rocket today? If there's nobody gonna be on the rocket today and it blows up, yeah, let's all buy at 50 together. Let's all make a commitment and buy at 50. If there's gonna be people on it, I do not want that to happen. Hell yeah. What's at 131 right now? 113 is 50%, and $87 is 61. But look at the $50. That's 78% pullback. All right, let's look at it. What's it called? SpaceX rocket launch today. Okay, SpaceX has two major rocket missions scheduled for today. First, a Falcon 9 will launch from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, carrying military satellites for the Space Development Agency. Later today, SpaceX will also attempt the highly anticipated 13th test flight of its massive Starship rocket from Starbase, Texas. All right, let's look at the second one. I'm more curious about the second one. Mission: The second launch of Starship version 3 configuration aims test key. What's so special about this one? What is so special about Flight 13? Starship 13 stands out because it will feature the first ever functional payload deployment for Starship program. Oh, so it can it's like a cargo ship. Oh wow, it's supposed to put a satellite up there that extends their solar arrays to establish high-capacity laser communications with the rest of the constellation. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Satellites acting as cameras. Yo, we're so fucked, bro. We're so screwed. Satellites acting as cameras. They will face backwards to scan and stream high-resolution data of Starship thermal heat shield during intense... Okay, whatever. But what does this mean? But what is so great about this? To a normal human. That's what I just asked. Yeah, it does look really cool. Definitely looks cool. You know what's funny? I seen some Chris, you're the man, bro. Appreciate you. What was I gonna say? There was a lot of people that mistaken Starlink as aliens. It's so funny. It happens a lot. Yogurt says, can you check support and resistance levels? I feel we on the lowest. It should pump up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but there is another one at 211, but the reason why I'm in here is look at this 5-minute here. If we can get above this, that's the old resistance. But the 1-minute time frame, it did bust above it. And then I believe 80s was the target for that 15-minute high. Let's see. During the time, it was
Lutnick urged to hold
287s.
firm on Chinese memory chips ban.
So this should hit 287. But if it hits 287, then we're probably going to go above this 5-minute resistance, and it should rock it up. But I don't know. It's really choppy, guys. It's really choppy.
So lawmakers send Lutnick a letter on memory chips from China.
Oh, so if this mission is successful, the Starlink V3... Wow, it's going to take me out. Yeah, it took way too long, guys. Might chop me out here. He did take the short. I see a short here. It just wouldn't go, dude. It's so choppy. Watch this be an uproar now. So that Starlink, if they get it up, it means there's gonna be like no dead zones. The internet can get everywhere, which means that we can never hide from AI ever again. So doomed. And then it's proof that space travel can be cheap. Look at this thing. Are you kidding me? I did at 273 and went up, failed, short on the red. There's a massive order block there. Yeah, there's a lot, dude, right here. Wow, this looks like a gap was here or something. All right, this candle here. I could have just been wrong for a second. See how it reacts here. We might get along. Hell yeah, it's amazing. That's amazing. And a good feeling. And then you just got to get the, is it 150 or is it 200 a day? I think it's 200. All right. This sucks because this is going to keep going up, guys. Let's see. Oh, didn't close yet. I don't want to speak too soon. See, do you see how there's 11 people in here? We have 5,000 likes and multiple shares. It's got to be broken, no? Yeah, but let's get that first payout though, Libs. Let's get that first payout. Not first payout of this account. I think that would be best. And then do it. Got a minute left. I kind of want to short this at the same time. Nope, stick to your strategy. I did actually try the bum energy drink. It was really good. I did the root beer one, dude. I did the root beer one. Hey, you guys on YT, make sure you guys like the stream too. Cream soda, I'll try that one. And it's nothing like unhealthy too, right? It's just like equivalent to a cup of coffee. Yeah, C-bum. He usually has good shit. All right, close above this and we're mooning. God damn it. I don't want to chase it. This bothers me though. You're not able to see my screen?
Google shares quickly drop as much as 2.7%.
Let me see. Maybe it's me. Go to devices. I'll redo it. Oh, you know what? I probably I know why. 2 seconds, sorry. Virtual cameras off. That's because I restarted the computer. This sucks. This is gonna keep going up, guys. There you go. There you go, Mrs. Powers. Yeah, I've been staying away from this. This bothers me. I can't believe I got wicked out by 2 points. Yeah, I don't take pre-workouts too much lately. There's too much caffeine.
So again, reporting earlier, Google Gemini launch delayed as tech falls short of goals. So we did see Google shares quickly drop as much as 2.7%. Again, Google Gemini launch delayed as tech falls short of goals. So a bit more into this article. Alphabet's Google is months behind schedule on delivering Gemini's 3.5 Pro, its most powerful flagship AI model, because the company has been taking time to try to
Daddy?
improve its
Daddy,
capabilities,
is that you?
particularly
Is
in
that you?
coding, according to people familiar with the matter.
Made in trading. Made in trading. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
That was a tongue twister. I don't know why.
Daddy, chill.
All right, we went up pretty good here. Pisses me off here. I gotta look for the next move. We're above that resistance now.
According to US CENTCOM, US military carrying out fresh strikes on Iran.
We can go all the way to 363s too. I kind of want to try that, but I don't want to fucking... Alright, I'm going in. I'm going in.
So US strikes on Iran began at 2 p.m. Eastern Time.
Should have been, I we never got in that long there. And this 5 minute here is not good, but look, there is a 4-hour swing all the way up.
So seeing reports here from IRIB saying explosions heard west part of Iran's Bandar Abbas.
More than a feeling.
Daddy, chill.
If it closes below this, then it might drop 64s. I'm trying to look at the longer term here, but you know, longer term could literally take long term, so it might mess with my head. Come on, rip up. Don't stop me now. The orb low is right there at 300s. We struggled here a lot before. Don't stop me now. Yeah, you guys got me to 5,000 likes. See, there's only 10 people in here. That's what makes me think, like...
So again, seeing here from Iran State TV saying that areas in the southern Iran's Bandar Abbas hit by American projectiles.
That makes me think, like, the reach just won't go out. Come on, launch up, baby. Launch to the moon. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me. Let me make sure I log into my other one. And I'll say, follow my other account.
US yields and dollar hold days rise as US launches Iran strikes.
What? Oh my god. This price action's a ball drain, dude. We should probably just trade the 1 minutes. Because the longer term, it's a little difficult. And 1 micro is $88.
NYMEX WTI crude August futures settle at $78.95 a barrel, down 65 cents or 0.82%. NYMEX gasoline August futures settle at around $3.28 a gallon. NYMEX diesel August futures settle at around $4.03 a gallon. And NYMEX natural gas August futures settle at around $2.85. According to CBS, Trump to visit Atlanta area next week.
Atlanta? Dude, this thing just won't go up. Mom! Screen mirror you the TV as I work. Tell Mom I'm on TV. Mom! Dad's on TV again. Man, will this do something? Is it? I don't think so. It says Trump to visit Atlanta.
US money
Next
market
week.
fund assets fall to $7.89 trillion at ICI.
Fed Smith speaks at 13:25. And then Netflix earnings today. Tonight, Trump speaks on the 2020 election. Why are we still on that? Why are we still on that? Fix the oil. He's speaking tonight at 9, yeah. But he's speaking on the 2020 elections. I kind of want to go in one more here. Here it says the 2020 elections. And I did hear that a while ago. He's going to speak about that. The fraud. Dun, dun, dun. 61%. Come on, pull up. Huge freaking candle. Uh, 9 p.m., which is like 6 hours from now. Dude, I have some pretty poopy luck today. So I'm gonna not trade the long term 4 hours because it's taking too long. Technically, it didn't break it yet. This isn't good. He needs to I can't get the momentum and follow through. Needs to reject here. This meeting is because we now have hard proof of what crimes was made. People knew and pushed it under the rug and more. No way. Yeah, but are they gonna believe him? That's the problem. We know what happened, but you gotta be able to have people believe you, right? It's not what you know, it's who you know. Oh, this is a good movement up. This should get me out a little bit here. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Shannon 29143 143. That's really far down. That would really kill me. Bring the paddy wagon. That would be crazy if he started arresting people. Yes, he has proof and paper and all kinds of stuff is why he is going to make it where people can do their own research. The old FBI person and others are already looking at jail time. I mean, literally, it's one of the worst things you can do to the economy, right? I mean, the economy to the Constitution is cheat the elections. That's like what our country's made of. That would be crazy if they people start doing jail time. Arrest Pelosi and her nephew? That would be crazy. Oh my god, nothing's fucking holding! I'm getting smacked. I just keep getting like no follow through, and then it goes the way I thought it was the first time, and then it doesn't. This is $400 loss. Fuck. Trying to figure out when I should close this. This would make it a long break above this. So I'm like, do you hold it to see or you don't? Because you can get murdered here. Hoping we hold 200. We close above this 230s. That would be a great long. This is like an actual real strategy here. Since you pay for the top trading view, give you TPO with it? Huh? There we go. Close above this, we're going up. Still got 40 seconds though, guys. Still got 40 seconds. Got to close above this yellow line. TPO? Alright, after this trade. I mean, this is really high. You got 20 seconds. It should be good to go up. Alright, we Gucci. We Gucci. 258s, 258s. There you go. 257, 257.
Iran says Trump's claim of US prisoner release is false.
I have 2 pros to give away.
So coming from Mizan here, Iran's judiciary says no US detainee freed from Iran.
I'll probably give away 1 tomorrow. $250 on this swing. Weak. What's up, buddy? Does that mean you can't win the account, or? Yeah, I got a pro account I'm gonna give away tomorrow. Ah, I gotcha. Okay. RR? Question mark? What's that mean? Risk to reward? It's probably like a 1-to-1 right here. This one. Sweet, how you been, bro? How, man? I'm fucking moving around like crazy. Inactive. I'm good too. When you coming back to us, Tweak? Your best RR is 5-to-1. I've done like 20-to-1, bro. Nice. This is a tough area. I just needed to get up a little further. For 250s. I've been loving Cursor too. How's your app going? I know you were building one.
Brent crude futures settle at $84.23 a barrel, down 72 cents or 0.85%.
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. That's sweet. Let us know so we can take a look at it later. Dude. You gonna launch or what? What says gonna dump on the hour again to take out last low? Get me first. For sure. Seen any of the games of the World Cup? I know Sweden played in MetLife one game. Yeah, I've been watching them all. I tried to go to the England game in New York, but it was sold out, man. You couldn't get anywhere in there. I hope you want Spain win. It's gonna be Spain versus Argentina, right? Why does everybody hate Argentina so much? So your wife, my wife just likes him too. I don't think my wife really cares. He was rooting for Mexico. I'm saying like she don't care about Argentina. Mr. Dad, I got you. I got you. I can't believe this didn't hit my fucking target again. Again, it keeps going short on me. Like, I'm just there and it's not getting it. I need to take TP a little bit earlier. Even though I am taking it earlier. But it keeps missing my TP and the come down swipe and then rips back up. I want to go to... Yeah, I want to go there too. You guys don't think Messi is good?
Daddy, chill.
With his song. Dude, come on, man. This thing is literally killing me softly. Yeah, I keep seeing that everywhere. They're saying, you know, they just want Messi to win because it's a money grab. I mean, the guy was killing it the other day, no? Put me Chico? Yeah, I want some of that too. I'm down with that. Me Chico. Yeah, I hope a bounce, dude. It just keeps freaking... It won't go. Look at this. Up, up, up. You keep things going up and it then crashes. I wish I wasn't in this many, though. Me Chico. Me Chico. Another good, strong bully block here. 88% pullback. Weak share the live, my man. Mi Chico. Dude, it won't fucking hold. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. Your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in the search results as we detected suspicious activity. Throwing some rage. I think tonight SpaceX must skyrocket like Starship. We'll see. Sweep stores liquidation massive must. Come on, rip up. Because I put the French song the Nana. Argentinians. I knew it. I knew it, Tweak. I knew it. All right, the new hour is about to start. Hope the new hour rips it up, dude. 5 seconds. Come on! Rip up. Take out this 15-minute high and they would short it. I don't give a fuck. Just get up there. Get up there.
Total money market fund assets fell by $59.9 billion to $7.89 trillion for the weekend of July 15th, according to ICI.
Grow. Grow. Magnets. I haven't used
Kuwait
magnets
says Iran attacks
forever.
caused damage on Thursday.
Come on.
Senior spokesperson for the Iranian armed forces says we can fight the enemy for years.
Iran says they could fight for years. Why don't we just show the world? Just show them. Show them. Show them.
Also, a senior spokesperson for the Iranian armed forces says we insist on the withdrawal of US from the region and will never back down from the Strait of Hormuz.
Let's show them what a country is that's been built on war. The magnets! Antonio, the magnets. It's alive! Just on war, but freedom and invest into war, and the free market provides. To the moon! I demand you to grow!
Also, senior spokesperson for Iran's army says since the ceasefire was announced, American fighter jets have not left the Strait of Hormuz even for one day.
I demand you to grow.
Grow!
Daddy, chill.
Just need 300 for the 4K. This market in the afternoon has been crazy and hard to read compared to morning. Yeah, this looks like a slop fest. Any type of growth that goes up, it just gets kind of shorted. But it gets confusing because, like, if you look here, it's like, oh, yep, we're gonna go up, pull back. Yep, we're gonna go up, pull back again. Up, we're gonna go up this time. Like, oh, maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. Exactly. Grow, grow.
News reporting another explosion heard in Bandar Abbas and Keshem. Also explosion heard in Avaz.
Okay, yesterday, every time there was an explosion, it would rip up. Now it's ripping down. Fuck you, market. That whole grind for 15 minutes to go up and then gone in 1 minute. All right, let's see what happens here. I can't hold it too long. It's $700. Fuck. Did not want to be in this kind of a mess. More magnets? Alright. Might have to go to back up here. I mean, we got a hammer forming here. Break above here should send it up, but every time it goes up nicely and then it collapses. Come on. I don't know what this wants, guys. Could be really bad at the same time. It could. I just can't decipher it. If we can get another close above 210s, we should get a little bit of a spike, and hopefully it continues up. Uh, uh, uh. We need this song back.
The Nasdaq extends drop to a session low of 1.8%. This again coming from Fast News saying that multiple explosions heard on Iran's Avaz city.
Come on, dude. You fucking bitch. Stop with your damn explosion shit. Yesterday, explosions happened, and the market would go up, and you're like, what is going on? Today, one little pop, and it keeps falling. As soon as I close it, it's going to rip up. That's the problem. Too, and it never went up. It just fucking crumbled again. Consolidation crumble. Why isn't it Having connection issues. Not even one little spike. Just a slow bleed. Bleed me out dry, baby. Come on! Go up, go up. This is futures. Gonna give me a fucking aneurysm. Ooh. He just keeps bleeding, guys. Down $1,000 on this trade. I went in too many. Shame on me. But, you know, I got 2 entries to go long, so I went in a little bit heavier. I was up like $80, and look, it just missed me by a point to take my TP. Marco, you got fried? I'm getting fried right now too, bro. Close above this should give it a little juice to pop up to 207s. And hopefully it just continues up. Got to close above. Close above this yellow line. It should be another entry to at least get to 208s. Hopefully we can get up higher. Man, what a rejection. Go up, please. Gonna keep bleeding. Gonna keep bleeding. Fuck, dude. Toast. Toasted. I can't even get like a little micro pop to feel good about getting $200 less loss. Like it just keeps dumping slowly for no reason. Dump, dump. $150, hopefully. I keep having reconnection issues. It's just collapsing. $143. Oh yeah. Did it hit it yet? Shannon? No, it's 2 points away. Or do you count that as it? I hope about. I played this one really bad. You know why? Because it usually like breaks and then bounces, breaks and then bounce. It's just not bouncing again. So
Alphabet declining session low 5% as Gemini launch is delayed.
I mean that doesn't help either. Like all the tech stocks are getting smacked. Which I'm okay, but this is like a slow death, dude. About 10 minutes of this. If it closes above 184, we're at least going to 207s, and hopefully it continues up. You fair, I should short now and get my money back. Bro, I was watching when you were break, and I thought this would pump, man. Thought you were good. I got burned 1K today on my PA. Yeah, it keeps going, and then it just stops, yogurt. It's like it's weird. I know. It's happened to me all day today. Just before TP, it would stop every single time. There's got to be a pump in here somewhere, man. Above this yellow line, 183s should send us up. Got to get there, though. Got to get there. Trump market, yeah, dude. This market's pretty hard. I still got plenty of room in these accounts in my fundeds, but don't want to go below that price, you know? Come on, close above 184. Hood calls. That's gangster. $29.17. It could. I just don't know how long that would take. Fucking break, bro. It won't do it. Denial again. Denied. Yeah, the explosions aren't helping either, Antonio. Every time we see get like a little one, it falls. Even though yesterday they kept pumping up. Every time there's an explosion, yesterday it pumps. Today, it's falling on every single one. You Farah, I'm trying to see if it wants to do a little pump, but as soon as I short, it's gonna go rip up. I promise you. This isn't good, though. This just keeps fucking bleeding on me. Rise up. Feel it. Rise. Rise. Bro, this is crazy. Wow. Fuck me right in my butt, dude. Are you in TikTok? Yeah, but I'm TikTok's not very nice to me. Fuck, dude. My fundeds are toasts, bro. Again. I can't get a grip on this lately. It's been like this all month for me. It's probably because I'm holding something like this, dude. Like, why? $150 fucking points with no bounce. I'm on the 1 minute. I've been using stop losses. This one, I fucked up. You see my stop loss here? I wanted to see it bounce because it's been doing it all day, and then it just like slipped out from under me and kept going. I fucked up. Fucked up. Look how many times it looked like it was gonna go and it didn't. Yeah, definitely in um fair value gap, IFG. Ah!
According
It's
to the government
playing
press there,
games.
they say 2 explosions were heard in the city.
Explosion City now goes up.
AWS is introducing Grok on Amazon Bedrock.
Later, Mr. Bastard. Come on, get this bounce, bro. I'm just fighting a bear market. Dude, I can't with you today. I mean, this was a nice potential. If we can get this right here, just a chill, and then a bounce. We still got a long time, though. We still got 50 seconds. Problem is, if this works out, it's not that much room for the I can't tell if it's gonna be the beginning of a little jump, but I can't tell you if it's gonna come up here with that strategy. I would be out as soon as it's closed in 5 seconds. I would get out at like 152, 159 if it breaks above 142 here. Yeah, I'm in a long, but I'm getting smacked. Absolutely murdered. I fucked this trade up. But I'm kind of hoping and praying, but I keep seeing moments where it wants to rip up. It just gets shot down every time, so I'm getting confused. See what I'm saying? It's just stalling. I'm not sure who they're waiting for. It's waiting for something. Okay, close above this would be the first time in a long time that we've got the capability of going up. Oh, what a great song. She's got a fast car. Okay, this is the first potential in like 35 minutes of this even considering to continue back up. We are at the 50% now. So if I was trading this from my entry, I would have gotten out about 2 and let 2 more kind of trail to see if it would go up. All right, Mr. Dad. Later. You got a fast car. It won't hold, bro. This is insane. It won't hold. Who is this monster shorting this? Today, PMO, I lost. Yeah, I'm gonna lose pretty bad today too. I've been shorting all day since 7 a.m. I don't mind the shorts. I keep getting false movements here all day, and I should have noticed that. I should have noticed. I might actually have to call quits here. At the end this morning. I usually trade every morning. I didn't trade today in the morning time. Triple bottom with divergence. I got a fast car. Didn't close below 117. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a potential along here. You can see it, but it's just not grabbing. Not grabbing. Did this before too. And then mooned a little bit. We're at 170, Shannon? Or 181? Problem is, it's like it just keeps getting get down, get down. This is a beautiful song. See? It just gets smacked. And it's violently down. 10 minutes to go up, 1 minute candle brings the whole entire thing down. You see, this Tennessee whiskey. It's crazy. 1 minute to take it all out again. Come on, bounce. In 9 minutes is MOC too, so we're either gonna get wiped out or it's gonna be a beautiful day. I don't know which one it is yet. I really want this to rip up within 9 minutes though, because I don't want to hold it during MOC. Yogurt says the next low could be 28,900. Yeah, I cannot hold it to then. July 8th. It's Tennessee whiskey. Netflix is at 4, yep. Marco. That sucks. I broke my rules again today. I wanted to do two max micros. I'm in 6. I feel like my mindset's not really right today. I didn't feel good this morning, so I didn't trade in the morning time. Got on during the chop. I was green like 4 times on this trade, and it just kept missing my TP several times, and I'm like, what is going on? It's Tennessee whiskey. Charts are disgusting today.
According to Politico there, anthropic mythos is of focus of Pentagon GOP Senator management. This anthropic mythos is focus of Pentagon GOP Senator meeting.
Netflix. You think Netflix will rip it up or move it that much? Not fucking holding again. Not fucking holding again.
According to Tasnim News, they say 7 people were injured in attack by US forces in Bandar Abbas.
Jesus. Again, dude. Alright. Say goodbye to these fucking fundeds. Again, dude. I can't get a break. I used to getting paid fucking $12,000 a month or more. I've been fucking struggling for 2 months.
Nasdaq 100 extending fall to 2% to a session low.
Lartissel? Okay, I got $300 left, and then this cracks. Just not doing good, man. If I would have just stuck to my rules, I would have been out only like $300, and that's it. And then we'll just try it again, you know. I'm only in 6, but it's fucking went down. What are we at, 200 points now? Like, it just won't fucking stop. It just won't stop. It keeps giving me that it's gonna go up, and then it says, psych! Let's fucking go down. And then in 3 minutes, we're probably gonna just get spanked out anyway. $200 more. I got $200 more. MOC is gonna absolutely bloodbath me. Yeah, I don't have any more room, Clad. I'm about to get broken here. 29.52. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get stopped out there. If it goes to 52, I'm
Amazon
done.
quickly extending decline down 2.3% to a session low.
All right, I got $40. I got 40 fucking dollars. Actually, I'm lying. I got $7. Boom. Failed. All of them gone. Just can't fucking do it, man. Bad fucking trading month for me, man.
One minute ago to give the market and closing balance data.
Try one more. Bro. I just don't understand. I can't listen to my fucking rules. I want to long this, but need to get my account.
10 seconds.
Fuck you. I'm not gonna be able to get it. Ah!
Market and closing imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 4.3 billion. Nasdaq
What the
100
fuck, dude?
buy
You know how
side
much money it is,
3.4
and I
billion.
can't get
Dow
into it.
30 buy side 733 million. And Mag 7 buy side 864
Fuck
million.
you, bro. You're so fucking annoying, market. You're so fucking annoying. Now I'm gonna fucking short it. That was the most I've ever seen in my life injected into the market. Fuck you, bro. That was the most I've ever seen injected into the market. I can't. Come on, rip down. Dude, if this goes to where I originally had my TP, I might freak out. I'm about to crack this count already, I think. Damn. See, I already fucking cracked one already, dude. This isn't good. It's just really gonna piss me off if it goes up here. I'm really serious. Spending way too much money this month. Turn off the camera so I can concentrate here. This is crazy. kidding me? This is the long I wanted. I told you it was fucking manipulating, bro. Like, this really fucked me. Please come up a little bit. 300. I'm just putting this up here so I can see how much money I got. I can't believe that, guys. Am I crazy or... Pissed me off. Should continue up. Netflix in 8 minutes. It says at 16:05 it will be released. This should rip up even more. This is a bull flag. All right, I need $120 more to pass. This is bullshit though, bro. Farah, I cracked my funded accounts. I couldn't hold it. I knew this was the play. Not what you guys keep saying nervous. I lost my funded account. I got cracked. 3 funded accounts I cracked. All right. I got a new funded. Still, what the fuck?
So reminder, we get Netflix earnings in about 5 minutes' time. EPS estimate of 8 cents, revenue estimate of $12.58 billion.
This is Lucid, yeah. The Pro.
Alphabet shares closing down 4.4%, erasing $2 billion in $200 billion in
No,
market
I
cap.
was. Alex, I held it. I shit you not. I think, 10 more points? And it tapped me out. I kept thinking it was going to go long. It kept giving long. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Besson says he met with the Iraqi Prime Minister on Tuesday.
But I sized too high. I had 6 micros. I should have stuck to my 2, cut it out.
Netflix earnings coming through now. So second quarter TPS 80 cents, 80 cents. That's higher than that's a beat on the estimate of 79 cents. Also, revenue of $12.56 billion, a miss on the estimate of $12.58 billion.
Is that a miss?
The second quarter free cash flow was at $1.53 billion, a miss on the estimate of $2.72
Why is it not
billion.
moving?
Netflix sees Q3 EPS of 82 cents, a miss on the estimate of 84 cents. They see
wanna
third
trade.
quarter operating income of $4.27 billion, compared that's a miss on the estimate of $4.36 billion. Also, Netflix still sees 2026 ad revenue on track to reach $3 billion.
Was that the
Also,
quickest you guys ever see
Netflix
somebody make a
still
funded
sees
account and get a
fiscal year
funded
free
account back?
cash flow about $12.5 billion, missing the estimate of $13.09 billion. They still see fiscal year revenue $51 billion to $51.4
It's still
billion.
annoying though.
They saw
I'm-
$50.7 billion to $51.7 billion. Also, they still see fiscal year operating margin of 31.5%, missing the
That
estimate of
account, though,
31.7%. They still see
I had
they still see
$3,000 in that
fiscal year
account
revenue of plus 13%,
that I
plus
lost for that
14%.
funded. I
They
was
saw
pretty
plus 4
close.
plus 12%, plus 14%.
The
Seeing
payout.
Netflix shares falling 3% after third quarter EPS forecast trails estimates.
It seems like everything kind of failed. The Netflix. Let me Google it real quick. Let's see. Let's see what AI says. I gotta see what the rules are. I think it's 45%. I'm gonna go long. Just tell me straight up. I don't want to read through all the things that you're telling me.
It's bad. The company missed revenue expectations and issued weak financial forecasts.
According to Tasnim News, US fighter jets launched missile attack on Iran Shah airport.
I cannot confirm a specific attack on.
Further from the report, then, residents in the area heard 3 loud explosions near the Iran Shah airport, and reports from locals indicate a heavy attack on the airport.
This should fall now. You know, we ripped up. Netflix messed up their earnings, and we're getting explosions. Like, why wouldn't this fall? Definitely have huge wicks. If this does go up, this is complete horseshit. This market.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Mazimo, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
No, let me take this off. This false. I lost 6,000 today, guys. You know what? Let's buy 3 out. We got 3 left. I'm thinking at least 157. Let me see if I can trade this one here. Hold on. 95. Oh, breached. Because I'd rather take money on this funded real quick. See what I got here.
Tasnim news following up with
$70.
the attack that the US attacked the city of Bandar at Kashmir and Khorasan region, and several explosions were heard. They say, according to reports and follow-up by Tasnim reporter, the attacks targeted the bridge connecting Bandar Abbas to Shiraz, and power
Maybe I could
outages are currently
pass
affecting
$1,500
areas in
here.
Khorasan.
I have no idea any of these music. I was just playing what was recommended to me, and then whatever came after, came after. All right, let's see if we can make 1,500 real quick.
Again, Tasnim says attack on infrastructure by US enemy. It's again attack on infrastructure by the US. Let's take a look at the market wrap for the US session. Sell-off in chipmakers drove down stocks, raising doubts about whether big AI investments will justify its
Let's see
premium
the one
valuations
before.
as the revival in geopolitical uncertainties weighed on morale.
Is that
The
it?
meltdown in this year's best-performing area on Wall Street dragged a barometer of chip giants down 4.3%. TSMC's excellent outlook failed to impress as the company increased its spending plan. The Nasdaq 100 dropped 1.6%. Alphabet fell 4.4% as Google was reported to be months behind schedule, in producing its most powerful flagship AI model. Fed Schmidt expressed his greatest concern about inflation, which he believes will accelerate further in the coming months. Logan urged for higher interest rates, stating that inflation does not appear to be returned to target on a sustained basis. Traders also analyzed some significant economic reports. Jobless claims declined last week, although retail sales increased, lift a little in June, hampered by a decline in gas station receipts that obscured robust advances at several indicators. Heightened geopolitical risks also limited risk appetite, with the US increasing strikes against Iran. Oil fell, but stayed higher for the week, stoking concerns about future inflationary pressures that could prompt the Fed to raise interest rates before the end of the year, and bond yields edged higher.
Nope. Max. I usually think this is going down. I don't think there's anything other news. Hey, it says that they changed the speech tonight till tomorrow at 1. Hey guys, I'm gonna pin my new TikTok if you guys can just follow it. That'd be awesome. Cause this count is broken. I just pinned it if you guys can just follow. Oh, there's my 1500. Oh, 470, I think. Damn it. 435. Damn. What do I need? 435. 70? There you go. Yeah, SpaceX is the first time it's been down there. Ooh, did I go over? 15,505. All right. All right. So I fixed it. I fixed my boo-boo a little bit, but still, I should never have lost $3,000 cash again. Beautiful. All right, guys. Yeah, if you guys can follow me, I'm gonna pin my new account right now. Pinned. Because today, look, we got 10,000 likes, and I think the highest we had in viewership was like 15 people. So that's not right. Also, this is gonna be another long up to 50 if you guys want to take this, but let's wait and see if it closes above. Okay, so I would long this into 197s. Ah, which one? What count do you have? It depends on what style you have. If you got 50%, then yeah, you need to lose 15K today before end of close. Lucid Flex, yeah, you need to lose that 1,500 today, or else you're fucked. You have therapy at 520. More explosions, Antonio said. It closed at 445. Dang, you should have shorted this. UBU. I think it hits exactly at 200. So if you short this heavy now, you can maybe be able to lose it. All right, let's go over the reason why I long this 15-minute time frame. The high and the low drop down to a 1 minute candlestick. 1 minute it breaks through. Everybody thinks it's gonna fall. All the shorts are trapped, and now it rips back up, makes a doji. Also creates a resistance level here. Soon as the candle starts to close above that resistance, the sweep candle that created that resistance, when it closes, then we long. And our first TP would be 50% of that 15-minute candle. And we'll see if it plays out. I gotta pee real quick. Be right back.
Venezuela's oil production reaches 1.4 million barrels per day by year end. So again, Venezuela's oil production to reach 1.4 million barrels per day by year end, according to Venezuela's Rodriguez.
Perfect. All right. I'm off. I'll be on tomorrow morning. All you guys have a great night. The only affiliate I'm with is Lucid. Use code BULLY. Tomorrow we'll be doing a 50K giveaway. 50K giveaway tomorrow. So I'll let you guys know. In Discord, I'll announce it. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.